Hello everyone. Welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. I'm Dixon, and I'm excited to have you here. After countless hours of research and testing, I'm here to bring you the most reliable, real-time updates, insights, and strategies to help you stay ahead in the world of crypto mining and trading. Let's explore opportunities, learn together, and grow our crypto knowledge and profits, all from our mobile devices. Before we jump in, if you're ready to master the crypto world, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and most importantly, smash that bell button so you never miss an update. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more great content. Alright, let's get into today's major news. We're talking about a huge move that's set to reshape the financial landscape. The headline is, BlackRock's $2.9 billion BUIDL Fund has just launched on the BNB Chain. This is massive. BlackRock, one of the biggest asset managers on the planet, is bringing its tokenized U.S. Treasury fund, known as BUIDL, to the BNB Chain. This fund is already managing over $2.9 billion, and now it's expanding its reach. So, what does this really mean for you and the broader market? Well, the BUIDL fund essentially offers a yield of around 4 to 5%, backed by super stable U.S. Treasury assets. By launching on the BNB chain, it's deepening the integration of what we call real-world assets, or RWAs, into the crypto market. Think of it as building a solid, reliable bridge between traditional finance and the decentralized world of crypto. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has integrated BUIDL as off-exchange collateral. This allows institutional traders to use this yield-bearing asset as security for their trading activities. Imagine being able to use a stable, interest-earning asset to back your trades without having to sell it. It's a game-changer for capital efficiency. This collaboration is a huge step forward for the RWA tokenization sector. It combines the stability of traditional finance with the liquidity and speed of the crypto market. Essentially, BlackRock is providing a regulated, secure on-ramp for institutional money to flow into digital assets, all while earning a respectable yield from those real-world assets. The BUIDL fund offers qualified investors direct exposure to U.S. Treasuries and aims to deliver a competitive yield. Now, how did this all happen technically? The integration onto the BNB chain was made possible through Securitize, BUIDL's tokenization partner, and the cross-chain protocol wormhole. This tech allows BUIDL to move seamlessly across different blockchain networks, making it a truly interoperable asset. We're seeing a multi-chain strategy unfold here. BUIDL already live on networks like Solana and Polygon, with Arbitrum and Avalanche also in the mix. BlackRock is clearly positioning BUIDL to be a foundational building block across the entire Web3 financial system. Let's break down the Binance integration a bit more. Binance has added BUIDL as eligible collateral for its institutional offerings. This means institutional traders can hold their BUIDL tokens with a third-party custodian, which significantly reduces counterparty risk. They can then use the value of those tokens as collateral to trade on Binance's deep liquidity pools, the best part. All the while, their collateral is still sitting there, earning yield from the tokenized treasuries. They don't have to liquidate their holdings to trade. This is a massive efficiency gain. Carlos Domingo, the CEO of Securitize, summed it up perfectly. He said, BUIDL's expansion to BNB Chain and its use as collateral on Binance further extends its reach and utility. He emphasized that they're bringing regulated real-world assets on-chain while unlocking new functions that were previously impossible. I want to pause here for a second. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to stay on top of these market-moving trends, please take a moment to like this video and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell icon to get notified instantly. Also, drop your questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. What do you think this means for the future of DeFi? Let me know. Okay, back to it. By expanding to the BNB Chain, BUIDL gains access to a whole new class of institutional investors and DeFi applications. The BNB Chain is known for its massive scale, very low transaction costs, and a super active ecosystem, making it a perfect home for a product like this. The involvement of Securitize and Wormhole points to a clear, continuous plan to deploy BUIDL across every major, institution-friendly blockchain out there. The goal is to make it the #1 liquid, on-chain, representation of a secure US dollar yield. This whole development is a central piece of the growing RWA tokenization trend. When a giant like BlackRock makes a move like this, it's a huge institutional validation. It signals that tokenized securities are not just some small experiment. They're becoming a fundamental part of our digital financial system. For institutional traders, it means they can deploy their capital much more efficiently. They can essentially trade for free on a net cost basis because the yield from their collateral can offset trading fees and other costs. It's an incredibly smart and powerful model. This collaboration between BlackRock, Securitize, Wormhole, and Binance is creating a deeply integrated financial infrastructure. It's bridging the two worlds of traditional and decentralized finance more firmly than ever before. This isn't just an incremental step. It's a significant leap in the evolution of financial markets. It provides institutional investors with a high-utility, regulated, and yield-bearing asset that perfectly blends the stability of traditional U.S. Treasuries with the speed and efficiency of blockchain technology. In short, this move is redefining how capital is managed in institutional crypto trading. It solidifies the role of tokenized real-world assets, a major driving force in the future of finance. We're witnessing the foundations of a new financial system being laid right before our eyes, and it's happening on platforms and networks that we can access right from our mobile devices. So, to wrap it all up, the key takeaway is that the lines between Wall Street and the crypto world are blurring, and that's creating incredible new opportunities. The BUIDL Fund on BNB Chain is a prime example of how real-world value is being unlocked on the blockchain, providing stability, yield, and new efficiencies for traders and investors. That's our major update for today. I hope this deep dive was valuable for you. The crypto space moves fast, and staying informed is the key to success. One last time, if you enjoyed this content and want more insights like this, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell. It truly helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you this information. If you have any questions or topics you want me to cover next, please drop them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video with more real-time updates and strategies. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you soon.